I don't fry eggs in oil anymore. Now I only fry them in water. That's right, in water. If you still use oil to fry eggs, you stop doing that after watching this video, because I'm gonna teach you a much easier, cleaner, and above all, cheaper way to do it, just using water. It's pretty easy, also healthier, and you won't waste oil anymore. And for this, add half a cup of water in a saucepan. Just regular water at room temperature. Turn on medium heat and let's wait for the water to start boiling. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you an extra tip. Do you know how to identify if an egg is spoiled? It's super easy. All you gotta do is use your cell phone flashlight. Bringing the egg close to the flashlight and then just check the color. If the egg has an orange hue, it means it's good. But if it has a dark color, for sure the egg is spoiled. This way is much more effective, much better than putting in water, as this other method can often mislead us. Okay, now the water has started boiling. Now let's add vinegar. The one I'm using here is white vinegar, but of course you can use whatever you got there. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and then mix very well. Once that's done, let's add salt. Add 1 teaspoon and then mix one last time. Okay, next go ahead and add the egg. And then just cover it. And here, if you prefer soft boiled eggs, let it cook for 3 minutes. Now, if you prefer hard boiled eggs, cook it for 5 minutes. And as everyone knows, eggs are excellent source of protein, vitamins and minerals. And frying eggs this way allows you to enjoy all their benefits without adding calories, cholesterol and other undesirable substances from the oil. And after the time has passed, our egg is ready. And just look at that. Did you know you could fry an egg in water? I found out about this recently. And since then, I only cook them like this. No mess, healthier, and above all, much cheaper. So, try this at home. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So that's it. That was today's tip. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.